Hello everyone, this is Veera. Welcome to Point Blank. So today I'm going to explain you about the how to host the any application from the remote local server to the remote server so that you can use that IP address anywhere to access this application. So in order to do that, I have created an application which generates the top 10 AI news. I have created this application using the Fast API and using the ngrok API key. So this is my local IP address with the port number, and this is my endpoint. Let me scroll down. So this is my final endpoint. So in order to use this endpoint in the remote address, we need to host it locally first. So let me run this application using the Fast API. So here we are running with the Python with Fast API. This is the file name, which is main, and this is my local port number. This is the IP address along with the port number 8000. So this is the application which I have created using the root code. You can check my previous audio and video, which is present in my YouTube channel. So if I run this, so here I have hosted this application in my local server. So in order to check this whether it is working or not, let me show it in a Google Chrome. So here paste that port number. So you can check this application. It is hosted in the local server. So if you fetch the results, so it is giving the results. So this is the results we are getting because of the local, it is hosted in the local server. So now I'm going to post this in a remote server using the ngrok. So in order to host it remotely, we need to go to ngrok website. Let me show that here. And we need to log into that website first. So I have already logged in using the Gmail account. So it automatically got logged in. So you can create a username password, or otherwise you can log in with your Gmail account. So here you can see my installation steps and the configuration, how to integrate the other authentication token in the using the ngrok. So let me show you how to install it. First of all, we need to open the PowerShell with the administrator access. Then using this command, we need to install it. There you go. So we have successfully installed the ngrok, and I'm configuring the token here. This is the authentication token for the ngrok. So I have successfully configured this token. So in order to integrate the ngrok with our local port, so here our port number is 8000, right? So the command for integrating the ngrok and port number is ngrok http 8000. So if you type this command, we are going to integrate this port number with the ngrok. So it is going to generate a new public IP address. So here you can see it. So this is our local port number, and this is the public port number which it has already given it. So let's test it out. So in order to give this public IP address, we need to integrate that public IP address in a code as well to get the access. So here, let me add it here. We need to place it in the double quotes, and we need to place inside the origin, so that we are going to give the request for the ngrok to access this application. So make sure to remove any blank spaces. So I have saved this application, and my application is going to restart again. Then copy that IP address. This is the IP address I got from the ngrok. So we are going to access the application. Yeah, as this is the external site, it is going to show like this. Then we need to go and hit visit button. There you go. We came to our original website. So I'm going to fetch the AI news. So here we can see that my application is successfully integrated with the local port number, and we can see the results here. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Have a great day.